Tangsalo Kaisa Pandani Bisingtwi Rajakhor Aguli Pragna Bhavano Palaijakha Philnwichi Statistic Day. Salni Pandao Narowai Okra Manjakha Govornment of India Census Director Ratan Biswas, Economics and Statistics Department Director Debananda Reang, Economics and Statistics Assistant Director S. Pragna Karwi Kubun Adongrok.
And statistics. পরিসংখ্যান দিবসে তাকে পরিসংখ্যান দপ্তরের পক্ষ থেকে জানাই কোটি সেই মানুষটিকে প্রফেসর প্রশান্ত চন্দ্র মহলা।
May I request the dignitaries to kindly offer floral tribute to the portrait.
Tangsalo Tripura Government ne Economics and Statistics Department ne Loazi Sagma by Rajakhor Aguli ne Pragna Bhavano Philnwichi Statistics de Palaijakha. Salni Pandao Koksana ne Thangai Census Director Ratan Biswas Haka. BCC ni yagulo hakotorna census Palaijakha tabuke BCC bani yagulo census sengsai Rajakhor khnai.
Self-enumeration and other census activities which is being carried out across the country. Already been told, census, everybody know the census. Every 10 years, census being carried out in the country. And importance of census we know. For what purpose census is being conducted in the country. After a gap of 15 years, census of our country already started. That is called 202 census 2027. It has been segregated. Phase 1 and Phase 2. Phase 1 activities already started in various parts of the country. So far, I am looking after the state of Tripura. I am the Chief Principal Census Officer of Tripura on behalf of the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Tripura census Phase 1 will be conducted already date notified. Statistics Department they are the nodal department to coordinate with us. We are always in touch with the Statistics, Economics and Statistics Department. Tripura census Phase 1 will be conducted in the month of August. From 1st August to 30th August, that is the house-to-house enumeration, house listing activities will be conducted. This is the first time in the country the self-enumeration scope been inducted for the census 2027. People, citizens of the state, anybody in the state, anyone can do their self-enumeration by their own device. Detailed discussion, PPT will be done by my Shubhajit Devrai, he is the Assistant Director of Eastern Tripura. He will give you the detail. So my request, since all the government department representatives are there, my dear students are there,
পরিসংখ্যান দিবসে তাকে পরিসংখ্যান দপ্তরের পক্ষ থেকে জানাই কোটি সেই মানুষটিকে প্রফেসর প্রশান্ত চন্দ্র মহলা।
May I request the dignitaries to kindly offer floral tribute to the portrait.
Rajakhor Aguli Amit ni Kokthum, Chini Khorang.